Hi guys, so in today's video I will be mixing emojis. This will be a few clips I gathered when drawing, but before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, again, this is me checking in and saying hi to you guys. As you know, this video is a mixing emojis. I've done this before and I will put an iCard of the playlist and I will link it in the description box below if you want to check that out. I would definitely recommend watching those videos before this one, because then the whole thing will make a lot more sense. But yes. Anyways, this emoji was kind of mixing a lot of emojis but kind of not, and it was kind of like heartbreak but kind of not, I don't know what I was doing. I was just doing it to do it, okay? But yeah, you'll get it when you see the finished result, and that's why you should wait to see the finished result, because let me tell you, it's very worth it. It's very much worth it, okay? Very much so. Also, if you guys want a tutorial on this, an updated tutorial, because I have done a tutorial on this before, just watch the playlist and you'll see it there. Like I said, I'll put on the iCard and in the description box below if you kind of want to know how to do this, or yeah, I have a tutorial on it. And if you guys want an updated tutorial on how I did these, or just how to do it in general, just to update you guys and have changed what I do to make it more easier for me, definitely comment down below and tell me what you think of the video and give me some emoji mixing suggestions. I love doing these videos because first of all, they're really easy. Second of all, mixing emojis, what's more fun? Literally. But yeah, I really love the way this emoji mixing turned out. I really liked it. That's what we take out here. I really liked it. And also guys, I am thinking of getting a sketchbook, because obviously my channel is about art, but obviously my previous videos my previous videos mostly on digital art. But then I was thinking, why not get a sketchbook? Because I wanna, because I do traditional art outside of the things that I show on YouTube, on the internet and stuff like that. However, I was just you know what, I think I want to get a sketchbook that will also show that I can also do traditional art, yeah. That's what I started off with, really. So yeah, can't wait to get back into that. And I also kind of want to buy myself paint. Might get into painting as well. I'm not the best at that. I'm still new, but you know what, sketching is very much my thing. So I want to get a sketchbook. I know you guys are probably oh my gosh, you don't have a sketchbook. I thought you had a sketchbook. I'm an artist per se, or you could say, but I actually don't. But I do want one, and I am gonna get it. Yeah, don't mind that notification. I just got a notification for a new video. Yes. And yeah, I really want a sketchbook, and then I'll be giving you guys some sketchbook tours. Y'all will be getting some sketch with me, and everything like that. Okay. Again, also, I wanted to give a little shout out of thanks to just two of my subscribers, two of my supporters, and they're so sweet. The first one is an art girl. See, she is so sweet. He so sweet. Like, y'all don't even understand. The sweetest person on earth. And then there is QTXO. Sweet. So kind. Like, you guys are so kind. When I'm reading the comments, I'm like, oh, alright. Talking about me. I don't know. But yeah. Shout out to you guys. You're the best, okay? You're the best, and I'm so thankful for you guys. I literally am. This is an everyday thing, but I literally am. Like, what more can I say? Like, I don't know. But yeah, thank you. So here I was just rubbing out the rest of the emoji since I only wanted the tears, and yeah, I was just rubbing out the emoji for the tears only. And yeah, you'll see that at the end and see how they mix in with the whole emoji. And if you guys want to do this on the same app and stuff like that, I did on the app iBisPaint X. It is completely free, available on both Apple and Android devices. I'm not a tech person or whatever, but you know, we're getting there. Yeah, but available on both Android and Apple, and it is completely free, which is nice. I kind of wanted to do the video on Procreate, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna do an iBisPaint X since it's more, I don't know, it's more relatable because it's free, you know. And yeah, I feel like iBisPaint X is such a good app, but like, I literally love it. So you can see the result. I really like the result. It was cute. Next emoji. This one's, I don't know why I was doing like sad ones. Like, you'll see the next one though. The next one's much better. It's not too sad, okay? This one was just, this one's not sad. It's just like, you know, but like that, that cute, you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. And I want to take this time to say to whoever is watching this video, if you do art and you're feeling very low about your art or anything like that, I just want to say, don't get discouraged, you know. Like, keep pushing to succeed, okay? Like, don't, yeah, it's like, you can do this, like, because I see like multiple people commenting my videos like, I wish I could do that. Like, you're still, obviously it's a compliment to me, but I'm like, you can do that, okay? You can do even better than that. Like, what, you know? And it's like, don't discourage yourself, okay? Don't, okay? Yes, we appreciate you here. This is a very positive community, okay? We lift each other up, okay? And, okay, we can do this. Like, you can do this. Like, what? Like, yes, I want to say that, okay? Main message is, don't discourage yourself, and you can do this. So today's question, I wanted to do like a little question of the video, question of the day, whatever you want to call it, okay? Today's question is, what do you like most about your art, okay? Here, okay, I'll name one thing. I am about my art, and just about like everything that I do. I really like how I'm very, not really versatile, but I'd say I'm versatile because I like trying new stuff, okay? I try new art styles, new stuff, okay? Like, and I don't shy away from trying new stuff. I'm very open to trying new art styles and different ways to draw and do stuff like that, and different ways of art and how different people navigate that part, and yeah, like I said, you guys can probably see this is not a sad one, but it's like but in a cute way, you can see from yourself, you get the vibe from just looking at it, you get the vibe, okay? And it's like cute little eyes. Finished. And guys, I just came up with like an idea where you guys could come up, or we could come up with like captions, like for the different emojis. Like the first one's emoji 1, emoji 2, then emoji 3, which is this one. And I feel like that would be so like funny, because I feel like, especially this one, I want to see who comes up with a caption for this one. That would be fun. Comment down below, okay? Let's get that engagement in a high, okay? And don't forget to like the video as well. You're this far in the video, you're an OG. We love you. Yes, queen, king, period. Okay? Don't forget to like the video and check if you subscribe to my channel. If you have already, give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've liked the video and subscribe. Comment down below. Comment your thoughts, comment anything, But yeah. And here are the finished results. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you all, and bye.
They call me Mr. Tips.